Guys, so I just picked this little dirt bike, Suzuki pw50 or 80, I don't really know, I'm not sure. Picked it up the other night, just next to nothing, with a supposable Predator motor, I don't know, Power Stroke 6 horse. That one, cord's broke. This one, I don't know, I'm just gonna go buy one. Gonna get a Hemi. Fella threw this one in too. Traded a locked gun safe. Didn't have a key to. Swear it wasn't stolen. Well, I didn't steal it, if it was. And anyways, bear with me. There you go. They modified the bottom so that you could put the Predator motor on there, as you can see. What all they did. But still got shocks. So, yeah.